Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Polaris Ranger 1000 cab. Brand new unit for this year, something that they decided to have right from the factory. Really nice machine. The Ranger 1000 is that single overhead cam 61 horse machine, but still quite capable, but really nice with what they've done to it. It's in the Mirage beige, so a little bit different color, a little bit lighter color. Of course, it has a Polaris 4,500 pound winch on there, so you've got the really good synthetic rope winch already on the machine and everything. Full glass windshield with wiper, and that is a fixed windshield. You do have the hard doors, and they are manual crank, so actually less components than a power window would. Seating for 3, lots of storage. It does have the heater, so it's already got the heater in there with the defrost. The one thing it doesn't have is it looks like it has AC. It does not have AC. So it will blow cooler air, of course, when the temperatures are likewise, but it is that. They got the glass rear panel, so you've got the harder rear panel. Of course, full-size bed, easy operation on the tailgate, just single-handed to get that open, get that closed. You still have the 2-inch receiver down there, and great machine. Like I said, just came out for this year, so if you're looking for a really nice cab unit, but not the price of a North Star, come down to Carns Equipment and check it out. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.